In a quiet green forest lived a little turtle named Timmy. Timmy was friendly, kind, and loved to explore. But there was one thing: he was very slow. While his friends hopped, ran, and flew quickly, Timmy always came last. But he never gave up. One sunny morning, the forest animals announced a big race. Everyone was excited. The rabbits, squirrels, and deer cheered, ready to run fast. Timmy wanted to join too. The animals laughed. "You're too slow, Timmy." But Timmy said softly, "I'll try my best." The race began. Whoosh! The fast animals zoomed ahead. And Timmy, step by step, slowly but surely, he began his journey. The rabbits raced so fast but soon grew tired. The squirrels stopped to munch on nuts. Even the deer paused for water. But Timmy kept moving one step at a time. Slowly, step by step, Timmy reached the finish line. The animals gasped. Timmy was the first to finish. The forest cheered for Timmy. He may have been slow, but he never stopped. And that made him the true winner. And from that day, everyone remembered Timmy's lesson. Slow and steady wins the race.